Dr.TiMaths is easy.
Okay, so that this equation has a solution. So e power 2x minus 3e power x plus lnk equals 0. For e power x equal to a, we can rewrite this equation as a squared minus 3a plus lnk. And this is a quadratic, so the discriminant must be bigger or equal to 0. So we will have negative b squared minus 4ac must be bigger or equal to 0. So 9 minus 4 lnk must be bigger or equal to 0. So 4 lnk must smaller or equal to 9. So lnk must smaller or equal to 9 over 4. So from that, k must smaller or equal to e power 9 over 4 and bigger than 0, because the condition of k is bigger than 0. Question 6. Find expression for m in terms of q. So we notice that the period here is 4m. So we have 4m, the period equal to 2 pi over b, and b in this case is q. So m will equal with pi over 2q. Or we can write q equal to, let's say, pi over 2m. Okay, now we need to graph this one. So let's analyze it first. So the amplitude will be 3, the midline will be 0, and the period will be 2 pi over 2q over 3. And we substitute q with pi over 2m. So when simplify, we will have the period will be 6m. Okay, so 6m over here, and we divide 0 to 6 into 4 equal part. So it will be 1.5m. So here, here, and here. Okay, the amplitude is 3, so the maximum will be 3. Let's go back to the midline, and the minimum will be negative 3. And then just connect the points. Okay, like this one. Question 7. A, find the y-intercept. We will substitute x equal to 0. So 2 multiplied with 0, multiplied with e power 0 plus 3. So the y-intercept will be 3. B, find the first derivative. So we need to apply product rules for this one. So the derivative of x will be 2e multiplied with e power x plus 2x e power x. C, find the coordinates of A. A is the local minimum, so the first derivative will be 0. So we have 2 multiplied with e power x plus 2x e power x equal to 0. Let's get 2 e power x as a common value. So we have 1 plus x equals 0. We know that this one cannot be 0, so this one must be 0. So x will be negative 1. They ask for coordinates, so we must find y. So we substitute negative 1 into the function. We will have the y coordinates of A will be negative 2 over e plus 3. So the coordinate of A will be negative 1 and negative 2 over e plus 3. Okay, find the second derivative. That means we find the first derivative of the first derivative. So this will be 2e power x plus this one, product rules one more time. So 2e power x plus 2x e power x. This will be 4e power x plus 2x e power x. Okay, let's get e power x as a common value. We have 4 plus 2x. Okay, exactly what I asked. Find the values of x. So concave up, that means the second derivative must be bigger than 0. So this one must be bigger than 0. This one always positive, so this one must be bigger than 0. So that means 4 plus 2x bigger than 0. So 2x bigger than negative 4. So x must bigger than negative 2.